In today's video, I am cleaning and decorating in my primary suite for the holiday season. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is day 8 of Vlogmas. If you are keeping up with it, you might have noticed that I did not post on day 7 of Vlogmas, and I'm going to talk more about that later. However, this video is dedicated to my master suite. I like to add a touch of the holiday season to each and every room each year. So I am beginning this whole process by washing my sheets. I wash my sheets once a week. I don't know how often you wash your sheets, but I do mine once a week. I have a built-in day to do that. And I have this love-hate relationship with washing the sheets. I hate to take all the bedding off, and it's a hassle to wash them and put them all back on and like wrestle with that fitted sheet trying to get it on. But oh, when you lay down at night, it feels so good to sleep on fresh, clean sheets. So this is something that I do once a week. And if you noticed my bed was made up, that is because I have the habit of, before I do anything else, each morning I make up the bed. Maybe not the best, but I do make sure to start with a freshly made bed each and every day.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
When I change my sheets each week, I do like to take the vacuum cleaner. I have an upholstered headboard, and I do like to just run the vacuum cleaner over it and make sure it is clean. This is not something I do on a daily basis. I'm not sure if you have an upholstered headboard, if you do this on a daily basis, or if you even do this on a weekly basis. But I just choose to do it when the sheets are off the bed because it makes life so much easier. And I usually hit these lampshades as well, just to make sure that they are dust free.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
Just the pause and the smile. That was so I would remember in my voiceover to tell you guys that I am using the 7th generation glass cleaner on my glass surfaces in my primary suite. I tend to gravitate toward this particular glass cleaner. I am in the process of trying to find maybe a homemade healthy alternative, but right now this is my favorite.
As long as I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. why we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
I was so not laughing, but now that I'm editing this, I am laughing because this picture would not stay in its place. It kept falling over. I cut out part of where I'm just like continuously putting it back.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So, as I said earlier in this video, I missed posting yesterday. This video was actually intended to be my Thoughtful Thursday. My dear friend here on YouTube, Organized with Joy, host a monthly collaboration called Thoughtful Thursdays, and I love doing Thoughtful Thursdays, and I had this video filmed and ready to edit, and then life. So kind of what I wanted to say about this is that I have this channel as a way for me to use my creative energy, but I want more or less, basically my main reason for this channel is to bring awareness to A, anxiety, and B, heart disease, because I do have both anxiety and heart disease. With that being said, I have to focus, and my main priority has to be on my mental and physical health and well-being. This week I had some emotional issues, and it was because I was putting so much pressure on myself because I decided to do Vlogmas and to post a video each and every day, and it became really hard for me to keep up with filming, editing, doing all the things to get out the content. But because I had said I was going to do 25 days, I'm one of those people that once I say something, it's like I have to do it. And so I kept going and going and going until I just got very emotional and very burnt out, and I started experiencing a lot of anxiety. So I had to reevaluate and decide, was I going to stay up all night on Wednesday night and get this video ready to go out on Thursday as a Thoughtful Thursday, or would I put this video out when I was ready? And I decided that it was in my best interest to put this video out when I felt ready. And I took yesterday as a day, which was Thursday, I took yesterday as a day to just kind of heal and get myself back in a better headspace, because I really want to bring you guys good quality content and not just rush the content out. But I do love doing Vlogmas and showing you guys different aspects of my life and things that I do around the holidays and how I decorate. So with that being said, if I miss a day, which I do not want to miss any more days, but if I do miss a day, I miss that day because I am struggling, or because I could not get something done, and because I have this channel not as a money maker, but as a way to promote emotional and physical health and well-being, and to motivate and inspire you, then my physical and emotional health has to be a #1 priority for me, and I hope that you guys make that a #1 priority for you too. And I know for me and for so many of us, the holidays are hard, and so we can tend to be a bit emotional during the holiday season, and I just want to encourage you as well.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
I was so busy talking about the whole emotional, physical aspect that I forgot to talk about what I was doing with my decorating. I added a small flocked Christmas tree in the little container that I normally keep flowers in, and then I added some silver balls and some little lights, they're little bell lights, in that silver container, and then I just put a couple of sprigs of greenery here just to add a nice Christmas touch. Yes, I knocked that clock over. I'm always knocking that that clock over. But I just wanted to add touches of Christmas but not go overboard. And the tree does light up and those lights do light up, but I did not get a picture of that. And then I'm just adding 2 Christmas trees on either side of this, of my little lemons. And I just think that looks very nice, just adds a nice little touch of Christmas. And then I do have a flocked Christmas tree in my bedroom, and so I am decorating that.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I just want to take a moment to welcome you to my channel if you are new, and I want to thank you if you are returning to my channel. I would like to introduce myself if you happen to be new. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and you can find a variety of content here on my channel, mostly homemaking content. I do have 2 other channels I have yet to post a video on, but I did start those channels. One channel is called Atypical Housewife, where you can find all housewife content, and the other channel is called Live Love from the Heart, which is a channel devoted to going through heart failure and taking care of your heart. So if those interest you, I would love to have you on those channels as well. Hopefully I will be posting on those soon, but Vlogmas just has me so busy right now. But thank you guys so much for spending part of your day with me, and I just want to thank you so much. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Love you all.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh,